Are you tired of downloading tons of heavyweight software just to chew up your laptop storage for simple video edits? I absolutely hate installing massive applications just to chop up a single clip, so let's explore some top cloud-based editors available right now. We will figure out which one might actually be the right fit for your specific creative needs. Plus, I'll highlight one game-changing tool specifically for creators who live off repurposing long-form content into short, viral clips. First up on our list is a platform called Wei Videoo. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners like teachers, marketers, or creators needing a super-fast assembly. You get drag-and-drop editing, built-in green screen support, and integrated screen recording capabilities. Crucially, all your work is saved in the cloud, allowing you to jump between any device without ever hunting for files. Wei Videoo truly shines for achieving quick turnarounds and maintaining a low-friction editing experience. However, the trade-off is noticeable if you are aiming for truly polished storytelling or require refined control over your timeline. Also, as your workload scales up, like when batch processing dozens of content pieces, this platform starts showing its limits. Next up are the AI-powered editors like CapCut or Capwing, which feel very similar depending on the exact platform you choose. These tools are absolutely engineered from the ground up for creating short-form content destined for Shorts, TikToks, and Reels. Their AI features can automatically generate accurate subtitles, instantly remove backgrounds, and resize your footage for any platform. This is incredibly handy when you need to push the exact same piece of content everywhere with minimal personal effort. The main drawback here often revolves around the pricing structure for unlocking those advanced, high-value features. Furthermore, sometimes the AI's choices for cuts or styles can feel a little too generic for your specific brand voice. You will often find yourself manually tweaking the AI-generated cuts or captions just to ensure your personality really shines through. So while Capwing is great for total automation enthusiasts, it is definitely not the all-in-one silver bullet some might hope for. Next in line is Canva Video, a tool many designers already love since they absolutely dominated the graphics design space. Their video editor is impressively clean, incredibly fast, and excels at producing attractive, template-driven clips. If you need polished text animations, quick, stylish transitions, and access to a massive library of design assets, Canva is an awesome choice. The major limitation, however, is that it wasn't originally built to consume hours-long streams and mine out the best segments. It's much more geared toward crafting beautiful new videos entirely from scratch using their existing templates. So if your workflow is recording a long talk and then pulling out daily clips, Canva helps you package those clips beautifully, but it won't find the gold for you. Then we have Clipchamp, which is now owned and integrated by Microsoft. It runs quite smoothly directly within your web browser and offers genuine, recognizable timeline editing capabilities. Its tight integration with services like OneDrive means your media assets follow you effortlessly across all your different devices. If you prefer a straightforward editing timeline and only need occasional advanced features, Clipchamp is a very solid, reliable choice. But make no mistake, this is fundamentally a conventional editor operating in the cloud, not a magic wand for automated repurposing. It is not the tool that will magically turn your 45-minute live stream into a week's worth of shorts while you are completely asleep. So let's be real, these cloud editors are powerful and convenient, yet every single one comes with its own distinct set of compromises. Some specialize in stunning templates, others lean heavily into AI-driven short-form tweaks, and some offer basic, convenient cloud access. What most of these standard tools fail to handle efficiently is turning long-form content into ready-to-post short clips completely on autopilot. And they certainly don't schedule those clips across all your socials without you constantly babysitting the entire process. This is precisely where a tool like Vizard steps in and why I've been enthusiastically recommending it to my friends who churn out long videos. Vizard is built around automating the single most tedious part of content creation, actively finding the good moments. Its AI intelligently scans those long recordings, pinpoints high engagement segments, and then extracts viral-ready clips automatically. These clips are actually watchable right out of the box, minimizing the manual trimming work you usually have to do. You absolutely still have the final say to tweak the hooks or swap out thumbnails before they go live. But the truly heavy lifting, the monotonous part that has already been successfully taken care of by the system. Beyond the automated editing, the feature that genuinely saves me the most time is the integrated auto-schedule function. You simply set your desired posting frequency, and Vizard lines everything up perfectly based on your established settings. Say goodbye to manually exporting clips and then dragging them into 5 different social media schedulers every single week. The built-in content calendar consolidates everything, allowing you to visually arrange posts and manage your entire pipeline in one central location. This isn't just adding another dashboard to your workload, it's creating an automated planner specifically for content repurposing. The key takeaway here is that creators are now community managers across many platforms, not just editors. Tools that focus only on the edit miss the essential element of effective distribution in today's landscape. Capwing and Canva are phenomenal for making content look visually fantastic, and Clipchamp is great for hands-on timeline work. But none of them seamlessly combine automated clip extraction with an intelligent scheduler and an integrated calendar tailored for long-form repurposing. That unique combination is precisely where Vizard finds its most valuable niche for modern creators. Also, be aware of the small but real difference in pricing models. Some charge per export, while others limit minutes or force tier upgrades for bulk features. When you compare the workflow, having to manually export and then re-upload everything just feels completely outdated now. Vizard's automation significantly reduces the mental overhead required because you aren't constantly switching between different software tools. For creators who are pushing out multi-platform content weekly, gaining this efficiency provides a massive competitive advantage. It truly represents the difference between spending an extra hour editing and having an extra hour to create brand new material. Now, I'm not suggesting Vizard will magically fix every single issue in your creative stack. You will still want a tool like Canva if your priority is building highly designed, branded promotional pieces. Or you might prefer Clipchamp if you absolutely demand frame-accurate control for those more cinematic video edits. And Capwing remains my go-to for quick background removal tasks or instant aspect ratio resizing when speed is paramount. But if your entire workflow starts with one long video, be it a podcast, a lecture, or a live stream, and your goal is consistent short-form posting, Vizard removes the boring parts. It finds the genuine hooks, slices those perfect clips, and sets them into a publishing cadence that actually builds momentum for your channel. Consider a few practical success stories. I had a friend who streamed for hours and needed daily clips. Manually, she spent an entire day exporting 15 different segments and scheduling every post individually. With Vizard, she uploaded one file, the AI suggested 20 candidate clips, and she finished a week's worth of posting in less time than one manual edit used to require. Another podcaster used it to auto-extract quotes, add captions, and schedule everything, causing their listener growth to spike simply due to consistent output. If you're worried about the AI stripping away your unique voice, please do not be concerned about that. Vizard's automatically generated clips are intended as an excellent starting point, not the immutable final product. You retain full control to refine the hooks, polish the captions, and inject your own personality before they ever go live to the public. Think of it like assigning the tedious, repetitive grunt work to a highly efficient personal assistant. Ultimately, you are still performing the crucial role of the creative director, overseeing the entire operation. So if you want to level up your content output without cluttering your workflow with 10 extra applications, start by exploring these cloud options. Use Wei Videoo or Clipchamp when you prefer that hands-on, traditional editing feel. Choose Canva when you are creating heavily designed, brand-focused promotional materials. And go with Capwing for those moments when you just need those quick, short-form stylistic niceties done instantly. But if your primary challenge is converting long videos into a consistent stream of short clips and ensuring they actually get published, you absolutely should give Vizard a serious try. It will probably not replace every single utility in your existing software stack, but it will certainly take the most boring, time-consuming part off your plate. Alright, that concludes the quick tour of the current cloud editing landscape for repurposing content. If you'd like, I can break down a simple, perfect workflow, which tool to use for recording, which for polishing, and exactly where Vizard fits in for maximum automation. Alternatively, I can sketch out an entire one-week content plan using Vizard's auto-edits so you can visually see how little time the entire process actually demands. If you want that tailored plan, hit me up with what kind of long videos you focus on, podcasts, lectures, or perhaps live streams. Based on your content type, I will customize a clear, step-by-step plan showing you exactly how much time Vizard can save you.